Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. Today's fish craft will get us thinking about the food chains in the lakes and the rivers we love to fish in. We'll make a small finger puppet craft out of a clothespin that will show us who is eating who under the water. Let's get started. Alright, so to create your food chain clothespin finger puppet, you'll need some scotch tape, some clear scotch tape. You'll need some glue, so you can use white glue, you can use a glue stick. I've decided to save a bit of time. I've got these little glue dots. You'll need two different colors of construction paper. So for my large fish, my predator fish, I have decided to make a northern pike. So I'm going to use green. And northern pike sometimes eat creek chub or stickleback. So I've got a different color, a brown for that minnow inside of its mouth. You'll need a clothespin, a Google eye, you'll need a toothpick, paintbrush, scissors, permanent marker, pencil, and some paint. To start, I have sketched out the shape of my northern pike. And if you want to learn more about the northern pike, identification, where to fish for them, check out the fact sheet on the TackleShare website. And you can also check out the TackleShare YouTube video on how to fillet a northern pike. So I'm going to start just by cutting out this outline of the fish. Okay, now that I've cut out the shape of my northern pike, I'm just going to splice them right down the middle. Next, I'm going to adhere the top part of the fish to the clothespin. And I want to make sure that there's a good chunk that's overhanging the open end of this clothespin. And that will make sure that the minnow, once we stick him inside the northern pike's mouth, that it doesn't get squished. Now before I attach the bottom, I'm just going to figure out where I'm going to put the toothpick in the fish's mouth. Cut it down to about maybe 2.5 centimeters. And this is where the scotch tape will come into play. We're going to use scotch tape to attach the stick to the fish's mouth on the inside. And now I'm going to cut out small minnow, whether it be a creek chub or a stickleback. So now that I've cut out my minnow, I'm going to tape him to this stick. Now this is really tricky, but try your best to cut a small piece of tape to stick the minnow to the toothpick on the same side as before. Okay, tape on the reverse side. Chosen clear scotch tape because there's bound to be a bit that sticks out, and as long as it's clear, you shouldn't see it. Now we'll glue the bottom half of the northern pike onto the clothespin. Lining up the top and the bottom of the fish. You can tuck that minnow just behind the head. I'll add my Google eye onto my pike. And if you need to adjust the height of your minnow in his mouth, you can do that now. Now, one key ID feature of a northern pike is it's got light jelly bean shaped spots on a dark background. So to make those spots, I'm gonna set my pike on a piece of scrap paper here, and actually using this end of the paintbrush, I'm going to create some little jelly bean shaped spots. And there you have your small example of the food chain. You've got the pike as your predator and the minnow as its prey. And once you've finished creating your fish finger puppet, take a photo, we'd love to see it. Post it on social media and tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. Still hungry for more? Check out the resources posted on the TackleShare website at tackleshare.com/resources. See you next time.